The Caveman Diet by Amit Levine. Rules of the Paleo Diet. First and foremost, no refined sugar and carbs. Second, no legumes including peanuts. And you are asking yourselves why because there is something called anti-nutrients that are in grain and in legumes. What is anti-nutrients? There is gluten. Gluten is probably the worst offender out of these three anti-nutrients. We hate gluten. Gluten is a protein which causes an allergic reaction in some people, up to 1/3 of the population. It can cause a wide variety of issues including vomiting, bloating, stomach. Yeah, that doesn't sound like much fun, huh? Severe versions of this are called celiac disease. This actually truncates the villi in the small intestine. There is phytates. Phytates are the salt form of phytic acid, the main form of energy storage in plants. Unfortunately, unlike plants, humans are unable to digest phytates. There is lectins. Lectins are sticky proteins and anti-nutrients. They're found in various plant species and serve to discourage the consumption of the plant there. Present in by predators. They're hard to avoid altogether, but a higher consumption of lectins can lead to intestinal damage, compromised intestinal bacteria, and leptin resistance. Dairy products are optional. No canola oil or margarine or vegetable oil. So what can you eat? All vegetables except potato and corn. And all fruit, nuts and seeds. You can eat ghee and coconut oil, olive oil and dark chocolate and coffee. Sweeteners, stevia and honey. You're probably asking, what is the difference between margarine and butter? The difference is omega-3 and omega-6. Omega-6 fat causes heart disease, not saturated fat. And omega-3, saturated fat, builds testosterone and is very good for the heart. Where can I get calcium from if I don't eat dairy products from cabbage and in nuts? Where do I get energy if I don't eat carbs? The answer is easy: for fruit and nuts. What if I am diabetic or gluten and lactose intolerant? The paleo diet is perfect for you. This is the moderation in the paleo diet. What about physical activity? In the paleo diet you are allowed any physical activity, but especially CrossFit, optional. What about meat? All meat is allowed, preferably grass-fed, free range. The only reason cavemen lived until 40 was because of lack of modern medicine and hygiene. What if I have a sweet tooth? There are plenty of paleo substitutes for flour and sugar. You are allowed dark chocolate and coffee. In the end, the paleo diet is a very healthy diet which you will start losing weight rapidly and then moderately. It is also good for teens. FYI, cholesterol is very important as hormones are built from cholesterol and your cells produce cholesterol and your brain is full of cholesterol. The end.